हो। हेलो बेटा, कैसे हो?
हाय चाचा, मैं बढ़िया हूँ। और आप?
हाँ बेटा, वायरस सारे शहर में, चाचा तेरे मजे में। हो।
और बताओ क्या हाल है?
और बेटा, ये जो यूसी ब्राउजर ऐप है वो बाहर से कैसे डाउनलोड करें बताओ।
अरे, आपको यूसी ब्राउजर क्यों चाहिए? वो तो डेटा इलीगली लेता है ना। बाकी के ब्राउजर्स है ना, वो देखो।
अरे बेटा, बाकी ब्राउजर में दम कम है, यूसी ब्राउजर कड़क है। और मेरा क्या ही डेटा ले लेंगे बेटा। यही कुछ 100-200 गुड मॉर्निंग गुड नाइट के मैसेजेस है। और तेरे चाची की कुछ फोटोज जो मैं डिलीट करना चाहता हूँ। लेने दे बेटा, क्या होगा।
Most of us have this mindset because we don't care about our data privacy. Because we don't even know what this company do after taking our data through the smartphone apps. The apps that we use daily require some sort of permissions. This permission includes your name, your email address and physical address. Since the smartphones are so powerful that they can get a bit more than that, such as the permission to use your camera, use your microphone and know device exact location even when you are not using it. To make money out of apps, the company often integrate third-party libraries with the applications, which allows other entities to show push ads and other content into their app. The attackers can leverage over poorly written code or third-party libraries in order to gain access over users' data or phone. What is the loss then? The data collected by third parties through the smartphone apps may include very crucial data such as your exact profile, email credentials, Wi-Fi router credentials, also the last text that you copied to clipboard, and it has access to the information about the other apps running on your smartphone. Recently, a man in Gurugram loses 60,000 rupees after he clicks to the link sent by hackers who were pretending to be an official from income tax department. They were spying on his messages and learned that he has to pay income tax very soon. Here is the video of Mukesh, who was the victim of phishing.
मेरा नाम मुकेश है। मैंने
अबे ये वाला मुकेश नहीं, मॉडर्न वाला मुकेश।
Hello, my name is Mukesh. I was searching to buy phone online. I got an exciting offer in my message box about a smartphone. I clicked on the link and they asked to pay via debit card. I then gave my debit card and in no time I lost my 20,000 rupees.
एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह।
Starting from 2020, there are lots of coronavirus applications on the Play Stores, and the security officers at Bitdefender found that most of the applications had nothing to do with coronavirus. They were exploiting people's fear of virus to install adware and malware on the user's Android smartphone. One of the popular Iranian app called AC19. Bitdefender security officers discovered that it is actually a piece of spyware. The sample discovered by the firm asked for the permission to scan for the coronavirus, but in reality, the app is asking for sensitive Android app privileges to continue its suspicious activity over the user's smartphone. But this doesn't stop here. We need to choose right permissions for the right app. So before you install any app, think about the permission that it is asking for. If you think it's asking for excessive permissions, then understand that it is just asking too much of data about you. In case if you have already installed an app, in order to remove unnecessary permission, go to settings and app permissions and disable the permissions which is not required for an app according to you. In case if you want to know the applications which are using your Facebook's data, head on to Facebook's and you can find apps and website tab. Under there you can find list of apps and websites that are using your Facebook's data, and you can disable them if you don't want. You can also see which all the apps that are using your Google accounts data just by going to accounts.google. Under permissions you can see the third party apps which are using your Google accounts data, and also you can disable them. That's all for this video. Press the like button if you found this useful. Meet you in the next one.